Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make shadow dance video or any shadow video using your phone. So if you are using Android, if you want to create a shadow video, it will involve using a backlight, silhouette techniques, and editing tools to enhance the effects. And these are some tips on how you can do it. First, if you want to shoot outdoor, you can shoot a shadow video using natural light, and this is best for outdoor or window light effects. So what you need to do is just choose a strong light source. For example, in this case, I'm going to use this windows light, sunlight from the window, and can just position yourself or the subject in between the light and the camera to create a shadow or silhouette. You can use a plain background such as a wall, in this case a curtain, and also widescreen to make the shadow stand out. And you can just set your camera focus on the shadow, not the background. So here, for example, I'm going to put the object here, so you can just lock it like this, and then you can just lower the exposure or the brightness on your camera just like this. So when you position the object, for example, this is the object, okay, you can see it will become like a shadow, just like this, or a silhouette. Okay, and the best time to shoot outdoor is in a golden hour, sunset or sunrise, for strong shadows. And the second method, you can, after you take a video, you can use a shadow effects in editing tools such as CapCut or KineMaster. And it is best if you already have a regular video and want to add the shadow effect. And here, the last method, you can also use a shadow projection by using a flashlight. Maybe here you can turn it on, the flashlight, just like this, and you can adjust the lighting again, and it will become a shadow when you edit your video again in using the tool. Or maybe you want to adjust it more using the advanced tool. So for additional tips, if you want to create for a best shadow video, you need to use high contrast settings. So lower the brightness on your camera and boost contrast when you are editing the video. And you can also try the black and white filter. It will make shadows stand out more. If you have your phones have filter, you can also use it just like this. By lower the contrast and also use the filter, it will create more the shadow more stand out. And don't forget to experiment with movement. Again, with dancing, you can use hand motions or walking with will make your shadows look artistic. And you can also use slow motion, because slowing down the shadow movement creates a cinematic effect. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.